What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a link tree for your social media account. So have you ever seen on Instagram profile the links that are in the bio that when you click on it opens up several links? Let's say you are a creator and you want to link to your Facebook account, your TikTok account, your YouTube channel and so much more. However, Instagram just allows you to add one link. So Linktree allows you to add, this is a platform that allows you to add multiple links and generate one URL, and you paste this URL into the bio of Instagram, and once you create an URL you'll be redirected to a page that has all the links. So here I'll show you an example on how to create so let's go to linktree.ee. here, Linktree, or just search for Linktree on Google and you'll open the Linktree website and just go ahead and create an account. It's pretty simple and easy, and once you create an account here, I'm automatically redirected to links. So let's say I want to add my YouTube channel and my TikTok account. So add a link, URL, let's say youtube.com/user. Of course, I'm just making up some links right now. Add the link. And now the title of the link is YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. And as you'll see here, it's added in real time. So once you click on the URL that is generated, this is my Linktree URL. Once you paste it into your bio and someone clicks on it, he will open up this page. So this is my YouTube. Let's add another link for TikTok. Let's say tiktok.com/user. Okay, I'm just, as I told you, I'm just making up links right now. Of course, you need to paste your real links for your account. So this is TikTok. Let's say this is display TikTok profile and videos. Okay, add TikTok account. You can add TikTok account from here. Okay, let's close it for now. And you can also add your Facebook account. So facebook.com/user, for example. Add the link and the title is Facebook. Okay, and let's add our own URL, business URL. So example.com, and the example, this is our website, and as you can see, or domain, let's say this is website, and as you can see here, all the changes are made in real time. So you get a preview on how it looks like. So when someone clicks on this link that you paste in your URL, they can access this page where you can enter your website, Facebook, YouTube, and so much more.